Welcome to Eagle Tech Multi-Factor Authentication Tutorial. My name is Edward Lavilla. I am the CTO of Eagle Tech Corp. We're going to be teaching you what multi-factor authentication is and how to set it up in your account on Office 365. Multi-factor authentication is an additional security layer that it will require you, after you put in your password, to enter an additional code that is going to be provided to you via phone, via text message, via an application if you decide to download the application, or it can even call you and give you the code to your office phone. So now we're going to be going to the screen. We're going to be logging into Office 365 with our user that we are going to pretty much we have Bill Gates here. We're gonna forget everything that we knew about him. We're gonna put his credentials. Bill Gates at Eagle Tech Corp. EagleTechCorp.com, and his password. So now you're gonna see this screen that says more information required. This is because it's going to be asking you questions about how to send you the code of the multi-factor authentication. So we click there, and now the additional security verification is how should we contact you. We can use an authentication phone, and we put my cell phone here. You put your mobile phone right there. If you downloaded the app, you can use the app. I'm going to show you later how to download the app. Or if you want to use your office phone, you can select this and then put the phone number here and the extension. But most easy and best way to do it is with text messages. It's the easiest. And you just said, send me, remember to click this, send me a text code, send me a code via text message. Now we click next, and Microsoft sent me a code in my phone, and we're going to go here to my phone. You can see there the text message and the code. The code is 90. I'll just put it right here. Let's go back to the screen. We're gonna do 97 26 40, and we're gonna click here where it says verify. So now that we verify the account, is saying keep using your existing applications. And it says in some apps like Outlook, Apple Mail, Microsoft Office, you can use your phone to secure your account. So you create a new app password. This password is going to be for your Outlook in your Windows, or in your, if you're using Outlook on a Mac, you need to put this password because you won't be able to use the multi-factor authentication in those applications. If you need help with these passwords and setting it up, just contact Eagle Tech and we will gladly help you to set this up. So we click done. Now it's asking me to change my password for security reasons, so I'm going to put my current password as Bill Gates. I'm going to set up a new one. You guys will have to do the same. And once we have the password, we pretty much click yes, and we are logged in as Bill Gates here in this browser. So in some occasions that we're going to log out, and we're going to see how this plays out. In some occasions, the two-factor authentication might require you to set the code and to put a backup email twice for security reasons. So we're going to log in as a Bill Gates. We're going to put the new password, and now it's going to ask me for the code. This is the multi-factor authentication that we were talking about. So now you can see here it send me the text messages. You can probably see it clearly here. Is the last one. and that one is going to be 016931. We click verify, and we are logged in into our email system. Now there is another way that we can do that if we set up the application, the app. So if you go to the App Store and you type Microsoft Authenticator, if you can see right here, and we're going to put it a little bit bigger right there, Microsoft Authenticator, you download that one, you open it up, and you will see multiple codes because I have it configured for pretty much all my applications. But this is what's going to happen when I log in as Edward. I'm going to log in as myself, and this time it's not going to ask me for a code. It's going to ask me to approve it on the app. So approve sign-in request, and in my phone you will see that automatically I get this approved sign-in. So if I put the screen, let me split it up right here. If I click and approve, you will see the screen how automatically enters. So that is how it works with the application. Again, if you need help setting up the multi-factor authentication, just contact Eagle Tech, and we will be more than happy to guide you through, reset your password if needed. So we are glad that you are using multi-factor authentication now. Security is sometimes an inconvenience, but it's necessary due to everything that is happening right now with the hackings and the security threats that we're facing. So thank you for making your organization more secure, and we'll see you next time.